How to count steps on your Apple Watch. So for now, we will just use the Apple Watch. On the right side, we have the crown. As you can see, we want to press that to get to the apps drawer. And here you can see we have a fitness app. Click on the fitness app. With the fitness app, this is my first time setting it up. So I'm just going to scroll with the crown again. Just scroll up and then click on done. Here you can see we have outdoor walk, we have indoor walk, indoor run, and so on. Now if I start, let's say indoor walk, I can hit start. So here you can see we have to improve accuracy, record an outdoor walk with at least 20 minutes. We'll just hit OK for now. And here it says ready. So in 3, 2, 1, you can see the indoor walk has actually started. If I hit the left side button, which is your action button, if I click that, you can see mark segment. So it's actually going to mark a segment. So it's going to actually mark a segment of my workout. And if I want to pause it, just swipe left, and here you can see end pause. So if I want to pause it, I can do that. And that is how you do it on the fitness app. I can also go to the workout app. So again, to go to the app drawer, repeat. So again, to go to the app drawer, I'm going to use the crown. Click on the crown, and here you can see I have the workout app. Click on it, repeat. But to count your steps on a day-to-day basis, I can just go to the activity app, which is this circular thing. If I click on it, here you can see I am in the activity app. I can just scroll down again like we did on the workout app with the crown, and then click on get started. And here you can see we have to actually set our gender, age, weight, and so on. So let's set that. These are some random figures that I have actually thrown in. Let's hit continue. So here you can see if I burn 350 kilocalories, I am actually working out on my activities light. If it's moderate, it's going to be 650. Or if I'm working out or walking a lot, it's going to be 950 calories. Let's go with moderately for now, and then click on next. I'm just going to go with it. I just have to set the time, steps, and so on. These are just goals. And then it's going to start tracking, right? If I scroll up, it's going to give me a graph of how my activity has been throughout the day. If I scroll up further, it's going to be exercise. Again, with the workout application, you can actually put that in. If you've been standing for a while, it's going to actually measure that as well. So that is great. And so on, right? Today it says 68 steps, fine. Because I've actually set it up right now. I haven't set it up before this. So those are the two ways you can actually count your steps. But if you want to do it with your iPhone paired, then I can again go to fitness, click on continue, change. So here you can see it's actually asking me whether I want to end my workout because I had actually started it off with the Apple Watch. So that is in sync basically. So I can just start my workout with the iPhone as well as the Apple Watch, and it will automatically sync. I'll end workout for now, and again you can see it's automatically ended. So that is about it. In the fitness app, you can also see once the watch and the iPhone have synced how many steps you've done. So basically the same thing you can see in the Apple Watch. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video, guys.